even tell me where you went. All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Really, my money has some sort of ice cream packet like a halari and no matter what's a matter dinner. She can't go.
You know, I saw a picture of her in uniform with nails, and I was about to ask you for
Dinala.
If we get to somebody who's all about
Our teacher doesn't shout.
oh.
But is it allowed? Can I teach her not to go to high school? I get to be allowed to go to Pinky Jan, like what I'm sorry. Is it allowed? Exactly. Not our teacher won't shout.
Why?
Have you ever seen anyone of the police at school? Yes. What did teacher say? Nothing. Okay, what if teacher told them when you were not there? And I would have known. Okay. Where's someone that never to reach?
Why?
Committed, all well and ready. Just a bit. Okay.
Turn the other, and then you do what you're doing. Do it. Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, looks great.
Just a bit.
These little YouTubers are crazy. I'm done with you guys.
Riley, how you run? Get the keep my cards.
I think I'm done.
Yes, please. We can go take pictures.
Yeah.
Guys, when I tell you this wig was deaded,
You could show them pictures.
it was deaded. No, I'm literally gonna put them on the screen.
Yeah.
But don't judge me.
Yeah. Still me.
Please don't judge me. Guys, I'm serious though, but this wig, shame. You did the things that needed to be done.
Yeah, we really did. Where's the clothes?
You should give you
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even though it's just
Yeah.
flowy, it's
That day.
yeah.
Hi guys, I never formally said hi. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. We are shooting a vlog, as you guys might have seen. I went to collect the 2 weeks that I took to Turuezo. Yeah, so I'm wearing one of them. It's the short wig. I absolutely love it. It looks beautiful. It suits me and everything. So yeah, I'm very, very happy for the service. I'm really happy about this hair. The other one, because it's got the longer one. I'm so happy with what she did. I'm really impressed. So you guys need to check her out. So I'm with my boyfriend now. We are running some errands. We're trying to look for a gift. And then I'm getting a black. We are trying to look for sorry. Yeah, we are running some errands. We're trying to look for a gift. But I was specifically looking for pink headsets. We found really nice purple ones, but they don't have warranty, like, at all. So you can imagine taking something and they're quite pricey. So imagine buying something and then it doesn't work. That would be money down the drain. So we're trying to look for an alternative. If we can't find it, then we're gonna have to settle for the ones without warranty. So now we came to collect a cake. So yeah, I just thought, let me do this part before I completely forget. So yeah, we're here to collect the cake. I'll show you guys just now. Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today's a Thursday, actually the day that this vlog is supposed to go up. I hope it'll go up to today. I know I delayed. Hey, I know I really delayed. Anyway, can we talk about how good this hair looks? Like, literally, it still looks so good. It still looks very good. And I haven't even combed it. Hey, I just ran my fingers through it, and yeah. Anyways, yesterday we managed to do everything that we wanted to do. We ended up getting the purple and pink headsets. Yeah, I'm sure by now you guys saw the clips. They were actually more affordable at Toys R Us. I don't know if you guys call it Toys R Us, whatever. They were more affordable at that store than Game. But yeah, we managed. We got the cake. The birthday girl is happy. Everybody's happy. She's happy. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys the things that I got the other day. I know I didn't show you guys, but I got this bag. It's nothing much. Most of the stuff that I got were actually for Riley to go back to school. So that's like her toiletry, some flops and Mobago, you know, all that stuff that I really don't want to get into. So yeah, I got myself this bag. It's actually such a big bag. It's this robe thingy, and then it's black and white. It's actually very big. It's very big. It was $100 from Fashion World. Yeah. They do have other colors like the white and red, as well as the blue and blue and white stripes. So yeah, I chose the black and white because I don't know, it's just that, you know, I've been needing like a bigger bag for when I travel in between like Gabs and Mahalape to use. I've been using a very small bag, and sometimes all my things wouldn't fit in here. So at least with this, I know I can fit like my shoes and some of my clothes and, you know, just stuff that I need to carry. And then yeah, so I saw that I'm like, wait, it's affordable, so there's no way I'm leaving it. And then I got this. This is a self-adhesive wallpaper. My plan is to use this on a table. We have this table and my halape is very ugly. I don't like it the way that it is, so I'm planning to cover it up with this marble thing. It's like a white marble nyana with a touch of gold and all that. So it is a self-adhesive, so I want to assume it's very easy to apply. Like, it kind of reminds me of that cover thingy that we use, the inside that we use for like textbooks and stuff like that, that we used to use for textbooks. So yeah, I really like this. I wanted to show you guys. This was, I think it was like 30 pula or 33 pula. They do have other designs, like really nice ones, more like brick looking like wallpaper, some black and white nyana, black marble with white lines, you know, they're very nice. You guys should check them out. Banale, also like the green one, kind of looking like grassy, you know, they're very nice. So yeah, they range I think from like 20 bucks to 35-40 bucks. Yeah, they're really inexpensive, and it's a big roll, to be quite honest. I am gonna use this a lot. So yeah, I thought I should show you guys this, and then I don't think there's anything else to show you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Black Jasmine Hair. Is it Black Jasmine Hair? Black Jasmine _BW. I will write the name, the handle on the screen so you guys can check them out. They will really revamp your hair. They did mine, and I'm very happy with the service. I'm happy with everything. I delayed getting the hair because he wanted to flatten the hair on my head just so it doesn't look any bumpy or anything, and she did a really great job. At first I'm like, what are you talking about, you know, when she said I should come through so that she can do that. But after doing it, I'm like, oh, okay, it does make sense. It really does make sense. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'm still enjoying this hair, and I'm gonna be wearing this one for a while. The longer one, like I'm saying, I'm planning it for maybe like if I go out or whatever, then I can wear it when it's still fresh and nice and slick and everything. So yeah, let me close off the vlog now, like officially, but I am gonna add like a little clip. I'm doing the challenge. I'm gonna add a little clip after this. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned for that. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was short, it was all over the place, but yeah, I'm really glad that you joined me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Good day everyone. My name is Ruth K. I'm a young girl from Botswana in Southern Africa, and I would just like to apply for the scholarship. I studied accounting and finance. It's a BA honors, and right here I'm with my uncle.
My name is Kagiso Kamfore.
Yes, so the reason why I chose my uncle to do this with me, because he's actually my inspiration. I know that one of the requirements for the scholarship was that you bring your inspiration and really tell you guys, sorry, how I want to do this, and really how it's gonna impact not only me but also my family. So I chose my uncle here because really just growing up, things were just hard for us with my family. You know, my mom is a single parent, so my uncle has always been like a father figure to me. And you know, just growing at school and everything, things were not easy. So I know at one point, like, my uncle was arrested because I'm so emotional. Like, I'm so emotional. He was arrested because he had stolen, because he had to pay for my school fees. Like, I'm so emotional doing this because I'm just thankful for the things that he has done for us in our life. Like, he was arrested, and when he came back, he just wanted to make things right, and I'm really grateful that he was there for me and my brother, you know. I think I'm so sorry. Yeah, like, things have just not been easy for him in his life, and I understand that he did everything that he did because he wanted to really be there for us, and I just want to do this for him. I want him to be proud of me, you know. So winning this scholarship is really gonna change his life as well, you know. It's gonna change my life, I know for a fact, and I just want to see him smile. I want to see him proud, and with the money that I'm gonna win, really, I'm going to help him fund the things that he's doing. Like, right now, he's just trying to help the young boys out there who have been arrested and everything, because he's been there and he understands, you know, I think nobody can understand like anybody who's been there before. So that's just one thing that I really, really wanted to put out there. And yeah, I don't know if you want to add anything and tell them.
Like she has said, I've been there for her.
Yeah.
A lot of things have happened, and then she sees everything in the light that she sees it. Then it is now her time to also see how she can benefit her life through the inspiration that she can get from me. I'm happy that she has seen it with the light that she's seen that something of that nature can give inspiration to her. And I believe that the scholarship she gets, she's going to do a lot for other people. Like right now, I'm doing a lot of community work for people, juvenile delinquency, helping the children with drug addiction, and helping them have a future in their inspirational endeavors and everything they want to do in their life, so that the benefit is for the whole nation, for the whole world. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching, and I really, really, really hope that I'll be one of the people who will benefit from the scholarship. I'm really grateful. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
You're from jail, my uncle.
We're actually notary. So you are a notary. I'm not upload what are you?
Trend right now.
Trend.